So anyway, I just need to do a little playing around with AM today. Out of the radios that I have, there are certain ones that are very good with AM. The 7300 is known to be one of those radios. 710 is probably the worst radio I've ever heard on AM. What to try and do here, if I can, is we'll listen on this radio. This radio is actually not bad either. The 3000, it's not too bad. So AM can be a lot of fun, but it's not really for younger people. Unless you can put up with old buzzards transmitting for 30 minutes at a time, usually. There's just no, like, quick back and forth. But, to see if maybe I can get this to sound good. I haven't ever used this one on AM. I've tried the 710, put a lot of time into that. This one here, okay. So what I find is that on 7295 is West Coast, 7290 would be East Coast, just kind of somewhere depending. Most of the guys are so damn wide that there isn't any separating the two of them anyway. So the mode. Okay, run AM on that. We've tuned this thing up. Okay. KG7H3R testing 1 2 3 4. Hello, test 1 2 3 4. Radio service check 1 2 3 4. So you hear that it sounds pretty full. I don't know what the filter's set at. CQ AM. Anybody out there listening on amplitude, ancient modulation? Oh, CQ, ancient modulation. I'm on my Johnson kilowatt desktop. Yeah, hi. How's my vintage radio sounding? The funny thing is, I could get on this radio and lie to them, or just not tell them. If you tell them what you're on, they'll say it's okay.
We're sounding pretty good here in Pueblo, Colorado, K0JJF.
I think it's K0JJF, is that right?
And that's correct. Kilo 0, Juliet, Foxtrot. The handle here is Jim, and I'm in Pueblo, Colorado.
QSL Jim, this is Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo. We're in Prescott Valley, Arizona.
I caught the Hotel Victor, but I believe I missed the rest of it.
No problem. Yeah, it's a Hotel Victor Romeo, like a high voltage radio.
Hotel Victor Radio. Well, I've got 3 letters now. What's the first part of the call, and what's your location?
It's Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo. I'm in Prescott Valley, Arizona. Prescott, Arizona.
All right. Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo. in Prescott, Arizona. I don't have a real strong signal here, but you're making it over the noise anyway. So I hear you're running an 8 gigawatt like is the best thing to be using, I guess. What are you running there?
I was actually making a joke because I was setting up a newer radio, and I've got a couple of these newer radios, and some of them are good on AM, and some of them are very, very bad. But this is the icom 2300. I don't have the amplifier or anything on. The band is up and down, very up and down, so I'm assuming you're probably only going to copy about half of what I'm saying. It was really good a few minutes ago, but we just had a solar flare, so things are all over.
Kilo Golf 7 Hotel Victor Radio. Well, I had a pretty much 100% copy there. Obviously not real strong, but and I take it you're running an icom 7300, so not much power out of that on AM, but I'm running a 1938 gauge 250C broadcast transmitter, so running pretty much legal limit on it, but the sun has not been behaving, but that's all right. We need a bit of that. So what was the handle KG7HVR, K0JJF?
Yeah, the name here is Bram, like Bram Stoker's Dracula, Bravo, Romeo, Alpha, Mike. If you want to give me a second, I will turn on the amplifier. I've got to tune the tuner, and then I'm on an 80 meter loop, so I'm going to tune it up on here, and then I can flip the amplifier on, and it will probably make a huge difference. I'm not sure what. It's already pretty matched. Oh, we're already on 40. This is gonna probably peg the crap out of this thing. Alright, KG7HVR with 500 watts on AM. So technically, I don't think it's 500 because MFJ is never accurate, but maybe somewhere near legal limit.
KG7 HDR, yes, you're making it over the noise now for sure. Although, let me catch up my frequency here. It looks like I've been drifting a bit, but yeah, there's also a broadcast station on the same frequency now, so making it a little bit tough. But anyway, I heard you in there, wanted to give you a shout, and conditions may be a little better here in a little while, but especially with that broadcast station that just popped up in there, it goes away. They're usually out of here, 7 o'clock or so, I guess, our time. But anyway, never did catch your handle there, but I don't have my computer up at the moment. So, KG7 HVR, K0JJF.
K0JJF. It's Bram, like Bram Stoker's Dracula. Bravo, Romeo, Alpha, Mike. I'm curious if you've ever talked to W7WRX. I know he goes up here. He's always trying to get me to come up here. I actually do have some older radios and stuff like that. And the idea was some of them actually were going to be used for AM, but I'm just not much of a 30-minute key down kind of person, and when I get on the AMI net, I don't have the patience for it. So every once in a while I'll jump on here if it's not busy, and that's about the extent of my AM.
Well, I understand that. I'm not a key down for 30 minutes kind of guy either, but I do jump in on the net from time to time. But yep, I just generally keep it short and listen more than I talk. But you know, it's I run out of things to say long before lots of other people do. Well, no, I don't know about that. I quit talking when I run out of things to say. Is that better? Anyway, Brad, it was good to meet you, and maybe we'll be able to get together a little better. I don't know how I'm making it over that broadcast station down there, but yeah, you're coming in pretty strong here now. So KG7 HVR, K0JJF.
Oh, you're fine. I don't even hear that broadcast station. I don't see anything. I do see some stuff slightly out of the band starting to come in. We don't usually get hit with that until it starts to get dark over here. So I guess you guys get it a little bit earlier. But yeah, I'll have to tell W7WRX to get on here. I'm sure you probably have talked to him before. He's got a bunch of stuff like what you are using. And you sound really, really good, so that Gates is definitely working very nicely, like it should.
All right, Bob. Yep, good to meet you. And you're making it over the broadcast station, no problem. But actually, when Woodward retires, the broadcast station carrier is just darn near the same strength as what your carrier was here on my waterfall display. So it's amazing we're making it over as well as well. But yeah, we usually get the broadcast station now, and we'll probably last for an hour or so, and then kind of peter out. But 30 meters has been pretty good in the evenings, but I haven't been on much lately. But I decided to spend a little time with the radio and get things tuned up a little tonight. So anyway, you take care. I'm going to let you go, say 7 trees, and sounds like the wild just came home with some dinner. So probably ought to go talk to her for a bit. So KG7 HVR, K0JF, 7 trees.
All right, have a good one, and it was nice talking to you on AM, KG7HVR.